All right, so let's get deep dive into DAX. So there are a couple of DAX categories. So I have divided them into math and stats, logical, we have text, filter, and date and time. In math and stats, we have some basic functions, and these are already similar with Excel. If you know Excel, you will know most of the functions in Power BI as well, because they are same product from Microsoft. Within math and stat, we have sum, average, max and mean, count rows, distinct count. Then we have some iterator functions. We call them X functions as well. So I mean, you can see all of them are ended with X, sum X, average X. We will see exactly how these things work. Then coming to the logical part, the logical DAX is basically if error, and or not, true and false. These are basically Boolean values. Then we come to text. Within text, we have concatenate, format, left, right, meet, upper, lower, proper, length, this kind of things. Then we come to filter. So let's say in your DAX function, you want to filter something. So this is all about filtering. We have calculate, we have filter function, we have all except, everything, every single thing is a function here. Then we come to date and time. So in date and time, if you want to get the difference between two dates, that is your function date diff. Then we have year fraction, then we have year month day function, today, now, weekday, week number. Then we have some time intelligence functions as well, which is dates YTD, dates QTD, year to date, quarter to date, this kind of things. So in this course, we will actually learn all the important DAX functions. And if you only use this, there are so many DAX functions, but if you only use this once, you will be fine and you will be able to create a much better dashboard with this few functions only. So let's get started.